Welcome back, friends. Winter has a way of slowing everything down, inviting us to create spaces that feel cozy, comforting, and a little magical. In this video, we'll look at 14 ideas that bring warmth to the rooms you use every day. From cozy bedside touches to welcoming tabletop accents and whimsical seasonal displays. Each one is designed to feel approachable and adaptable, no matter your style. My hope is that these ideas inspire you to create spaces that are soothing, personal, and meaningful throughout the winter season. So grab a warm drink, settle in, and let's enjoy some beautiful ways to make your home feel peaceful and inviting all winter long. As we head into the winter months, it's a wonderful time to soften the entryway and make it feel warm and inviting. Start with a gentle foundation. A layer of white faux fur or a soft winter textile adds texture and instantly brings in that cozy, welcoming feel. Natural elements like pine branches and white berries add a touch of freshness, and threading in tiny fairy lights creates a soft winter glow. A decorative bowl filled with silver or mercury glass ornaments adds just the right amount of shimmer, and a small cluster of candles, real or faux, creates a warm, calming light that's perfect for this time of year. Woven baskets tucked underneath add texture and keep the space practical, while a winter rug at the doorstep helps everything feel grounded. These simple touches work together to create an entryway that feels peaceful, beautiful, and ready to welcome the season. When you're styling a winter mantel, think of it as creating a story for the room. Start with full, mixed greenery like cedar, fir, and pieces of eucalyptus. Then weave in warm microlights for a gentle evening glow. Add a few larger, fresh or faux blooms to anchor the look. White poinsettias or winter peonies work beautifully, and then layer in smaller flowers in the same color family to keep everything cohesive. Bring in a favorite winter detail, like a cluster of ceramic houses or a set of brass bells, and gather them on one end. Then balance the other side with 3 pillar candles in staggered heights, choosing a shade that echoes your flowers so the whole mantel is beautifully styled. Finish with a few frosted pine cones and a winter photograph above the mantel to pull the space together. It's simple, layered, and full of that peaceful December glow. When you're styling a small winter shelf, start with one piece that brings in soft light. A faux birch tree with tiny warm lights works beautifully and sets a gentle glow. In the center, crystal trees add a reflective sparkle, and placing a petite brass bell beside them brings in a warm metallic touch. A few frosted pine cones scattered around add the right amount of winter texture. On the other side, a small potted evergreen adds height and a bit of natural color. Behind everything, simple ceramic pieces keep the shelf grounded without pulling focus. It's an easy, balanced way to add a little December charm to a small space. On a cold winter day, there's something wonderfully comforting about taking a moment to make a cup of tea. A simple setup on the counter can turn this everyday ritual into a small winter pleasure. Start with a few of your favorite teas displayed where you can see them, along with a sturdy teapot and a pair of cups ready to use. Add a little jar of honey and a wooden dipper so you can sweeten each cup just the way you like it. A covered cake stand with a few pastries brings in a touch of softness and warmth. It's a nice reminder to slow down for a minute and enjoy something simple. A single red rose in a bud vase adds a bright winter note and brings a bit of beauty to the space without overwhelming it. When everything is gathered together on the counter like this, it invites you to pause, make a warm cup, and enjoy a quiet moment during the colder months. For a sweet winter moment on a windowsill, start by adding a little character to the window. Paper snowflakes are an easy place to begin. If you like crafting, they are pretty easy to make yourself. Mix them with a few hanging ornaments to add a touch of winter sparkle. Once you have that floating layer overhead, you can build a small scene below it. Bottle brush trees are a wonderful foundation, especially when you cluster them in different heights. Add a few glass or crystal ornaments for a gentle shine. And if you enjoy decorating with little winter figures, you can tuck in a deer or another small accent to bring the scene to life. The goal is to create something that has a little height, a little shimmer, and a few pieces that make you smile each time you walk by. It's a simple way to bring winter charm into your home, and it works beautifully in any sunny corner. Creating a welcoming sideboard for winter gatherings doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a tall vase of white flowers, something soft and elegant like roses or hydrangeas, and add a few slender branches for height. This gives you a beautiful focal point. Next, bring in polished brass candlesticks and a pair of crystal votives. The mix of brass and glass adds a warm, gentle glow. A small brass bowl filled with chocolates adds a festive touch without overwhelming the space. It's a simple detail that looks beautiful and is easy for guests to enjoy. To finish, set out a bottle of wine and a few crystal glasses, so everything is ready when company arrives. This sideboard creates an inviting moment in your home, elegant, warm, and thoughtfully arranged for the season. Create a soft woodland moment on your coffee table by starting with a sculptural wooden bowl and filling it with winter greenery. A mix of pine, cedar, and clipped evergreens gives natural movement and that fresh winter scent. Add a few frosted pine cones, branches with white berries, and a couple of natural ornaments for interest. Place a lit green pillar candle in the center in a clear, heat-safe holder and shape the greenery around it so the light catches the frosted edges. It adds a quiet shimmer that's warm and understated. Tuck in simple accent pieces, such as a wooden animal or a crystal tree, to make this beautiful centerpiece even more interesting. The result is an elegant, fragrant woodland accent that brings a hint of the outdoors inside and creates a welcoming winter moment you can enjoy every day. A guest room becomes more welcoming in winter when you set out a small touch of hospitality on the dresser. Fresh flowers with a few clipped winter sprigs bring a soft seasonal note, and a glass carafe with cranberries floating in the water adds a hint of color. A plate of sweets on a folded linen napkin offers a simple little treat for the evening, and placing a short welcome note nearby adds a personal touch that guests appreciate. Add a couple of magazines nearby so there's something easy to read before bed. This kind of winter welcome tray is an easy and thoughtful way to create comfort in a season when small gestures matter most. A cozy winter home can absolutely be both beautifully decorated and completely safe for pets. Here are 3 ideas that do just that. The first is to create a small felt forest. A layer of white faux fur becomes soft winter snow, and felt trees in different heights give you a simple woodland. Tuck in a few elves and scatter unbreakable ornaments at their feet, so it looks like they're decorating the trees. It's playful, festive, and completely safe around curious paws. Another idea is to build a garland tree on the wall. Using removable hooks, hang horizontal lengths of garland so they form a tree shape. Add mini lights, a few lightweight ornaments, and a simple topper. It gives you the look of a Christmas tree without anything on the floor for pets to climb or bump into. And finally, you can bring your pets into the decor itself with a Christmas tree-shaped cave. These soft felt hideaways add a whimsical holiday touch while giving your pets a cozy place to curl up. Whether it's a cat tucked in for a winter nap or a pup nestled in, it becomes a sweet decorative piece in the room. Together, these ideas add warmth, personality, and seasonal charm while keeping Christmas decorations safe for the animals we love. Winter is the perfect time to create a small moment of comfort in your home, and a hobby basket is a simple way to do it. Choose a single woven basket and fill it with the things you love to reach for on quiet afternoons. A good book, a favorite magazine, a puzzle, or a coloring book with a set of markers. If you love to knit, add yarn with a pair of knitting needles or a crochet hook and tuck in a soft and cozy throw that you can cuddle up in. The beauty of this basket is that it reflects you and the hobbies you enjoy, or the ones you've always wanted to try. It's an invitation to slow down for a few minutes, pick up something creative, and enjoy the cozy pace of the season. A little basket like this can bring so much comfort into a winter day. A winter table always comes to life with just a few thoughtful touches. Start with a rich seasonal runner down the center of your dining table to set the foundation. In the middle, add a low, full centerpiece made of winter flowers and soft greenery. Something lush enough to look special, but still low enough for everyone to see each other across the table. Tuck in white berries and a few Christmas accents for a gentle festive touch, and finish with candles so the whole arrangement glows in the evening light. It's warm, polished, and inviting. A simple way to make any winter dinner feel like an occasion. And remember, you can scale the arrangement up or down depending on the size of your table and the atmosphere you want to create. In the winter months, it's lovely to bring a little more warmth into the bedroom. A simple vignette on the dresser creates the prettiest evening glow. Start by placing a vase of fresh winter flowers near the mirror. Roses with a bit of greenery are always an elegant choice. Beside the flowers, set 3 pillar candles on a mirrored plate and tuck a few metallic baubles around their bases. The mirror behind the dresser reflects the candlelight, and the mirrored plate adds an extra layer of sparkle that brightens the whole corner of the room. When everything is arranged together on one side of the dresser, the look is open and uncluttered. The candles and flowers create a luxurious winter moment. It's warm, inviting, and perfect for winding down at the end of the day. A winter wellness nook can be such a comforting little retreat in your home. Start by setting out a small tray and placing an essential oil diffuser at the back. Then add a few bottles of your favorite oils so you can choose whatever suits your mood that day. A handful of crystals gathered together adds a soft, grounding touch, and keeping a set of earbuds nearby makes it easy to enjoy calming music or a meditation whenever you want a moment to unwind. A simple bud vase with fresh eucalyptus or lavender brings in a clean, natural scent, and a warm cup of tea is so comforting. It's not about creating anything elaborate, just a few thoughtful pieces that help you pause, reset, and take a breath during the busy winter months. Making a gingerbread house in the winter is such a fun way to celebrate the season. Once your house is decorated with plenty of icing and bright colored candies, placing it on a glass cake stand gives it a little stage of its own. A generous dusting of icing sugar around the bottom creates that soft, powdery snow that instantly feels like winter. From there, a few small details help set the scene. Tiny bottle brush trees, a few miniature gingerbread cookies, and bundles of cinnamon sticks. Wrapping a short strand of warm microlights around the edge of the cake stand adds the prettiest glow as the room grows darker. It's a sweet, whimsical display, nostalgic, festive, and a lovely way to bring a bit of holiday magic into your home. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope these winter decorating ideas gave you a few new ways to make your home feel calm and cozy. Sometimes, this season can feel long, but adding small moments of coziness, such as soft light in the evenings, a restful corner, or a little display that brings a smile, can make your space feel extra special. If you try any of these ideas, or if they remind you of something you already enjoy in your home, I'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking for more inspiration throughout the winter months, there's more on the way. Wishing you a season filled with ease, warmth, and simple beauty.